Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿನ ಮೀಟರ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2. I will teach you how to solve the sum in just 45 seconds. Okay, we'll see this first problem. What it is saying in the given figure, that is in the figure shown below, for the given values of R1 and R2, the balance point for the jockey is at 40 centimeter. Okay, here AB they have given 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. This is how much? 40 centimeter. Okay, this is 40 centimeter. Okay, then how much this will be? 60 centimeter. Alvanappa, because AB is equal to how much? AB is equal to 1 meter andre estappa 100 centimeter. Okay, ಇದು AB length ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 meter. That's why it is called a meter bridge. That's why it is called a meter bridge. Okay, that's why it is called a meter bridge. Hope you understood. Okay, ಇದು 1 meter ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು. Now use the concept of what? Use the concept of Wheatstone bridge. Okay, R1 by R2 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 40 by 60. 0 0 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is written as 2 by 3. So R1 by R2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now what it is saying, when R2 is shunted by resistance of 10 ohm, okay, the balance shifts to 50 centimeter. ಈ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, now ಇದು R1, ಇದು R2 ಹಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. R1, R2 will be as it is. Now 10 ohm resist is connected, okay, is shunted andre is connected in parallel. ಈ ಥರಪ್ಪ 10 ohm ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 50 centimeter. ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು 50 centimeter ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 1 meter. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This will come to here. Okay, 50 centimeter. So if this is 50 centimeter andre, how much this one? Again 50 centimeter, right? 50 centimeter, right? Now here again use the concept of what? Wheatstone bridge. Okay, R1 divided by, okay, this divided by, both are in parallel, therefore 10 R2 divided by 10 plus R2 is equal to 50 by 50 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಇದು 50 by 50. Okay, that is equal to 1. The same can be written as R1 is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. R1 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, this into 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ 10 R2 divided by 10 plus R2 ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ R1 by R2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು. 10 divided by 10 plus R2, because I know what is this value R1 by R2. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, how much? 2 by 3, right? R1 by R2 how much? 2 by 3 ಇದೆ. Now 2 by 3 is equal to 10 divided by 10 plus R2, right? Okay, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ 20 plus 2R2 is equal to 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ R2 will be ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 30 minus 20 ಅಂದರೆ 10 10 by 2 5. R2 is 5 ohm ಬಂತು. R1 by R2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? R1 by R2 2 by 3 ಇದೆ, right? Okay, 2 by 3. Therefore how much will be R1? R1 will be equal to 2 by 3 R2 ಅಂದರೆ 2 by 3 into 5 R1 will be equal to 5 into 10, 10 by 3 ohm. R1 is 10 by 3 ohm, R2 is 5. So this is the correct answer. Hope you understood. It's very easy sum. Okay. Let us take the second sum. In a meter bridge experiment, the null point is obtained at 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. Okay, pa. Then how much it will be? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 20 centimeter ಅಂದರೆ how much this will be? 80 centimeter. Okay. Itu R100. Itu they have given this as what? How much? This is X and Y into X and Y. Okay, pa. X and Y. Right? So first use what for this one? Use X by Y is equal to 20 by 80. Okay, 0 gets cancelled. You'll be getting 1 by 4. Right. So X by Y is equal to 1 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Okay. From one end of the wire when resistance is balanced against another resistance Y. Okay, if X is less than Y, then there will be a new position of the null point B from the same end. If one decides to balance the resistance of 4X, this will become 4X ante. Okay, idu yn. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? If the resistance is increased, what happens to this one? This will be increases. Okay, this will be L ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. This total will be how much? 100 centimeter. ಇದು L ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100 minus L centimeter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? Okay, 100 minus L centimeter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ? So again use what? Again use same principle, Wheatstone bridge principle. 4x. Okay, let me use 4x by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4x by y is equal to L divided by 100 minus of L. 100 minus L. ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ? Okay, 4 into how much is x by y ಅಂದರೆ x by y 4 into x by y is equal to L divided by 100 minus L. Right. 4 into x by y ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. X by y is how much? 1 by 4. Right. 1 by 4 is equal to L divided by 100 minus of L. ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. 1. Okay, 1 is equal to L divided by 100 minus of L. Okay, so 100 minus L is equal to L. L will be how much? 100 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Hope you understood. This is very easy sum. Okay, if the resistance increase ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ length increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This will be L centimeter. This will be 100 minus L centimeter. Okay. Okay. Next problem. We'll do it. In the circuit shown, a meter bridge is in its balanced state. Okay. The balance ಅಂದರೆ first x by 6 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 40 by 60 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ x is equal to 2 by 3 into 6 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 2 times 4 ohm. So x is equal to how much? 4 ohm. Right. Okay. Now next, what is asking? The meter bridge wire has a resistance 0.1 ohm per centimeter, and the value of unknown resistance x and the current value of unknown resistance is bantu 4 ohm bantu. Okay, 4 ohm. We got 4 ohm. This is the right answer. Okay, because all others are this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Okay, 4 ohm is right on. But let us find the current. Okay, what is the value of unknown resistance x and the current run from the battery of negligible resistance is. Okay, now here what he is saying, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಇದು x ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ? 4 ohm ಬಂತು. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now for a time being forget about this. What? ಗ್ಯಾಲೋನೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದು ಮರ್ತೋಗಿ. okay, because this acts as a what? Okay, this acts as a voltmeter. Okay, we can just what? Remove this one, not a problem. Okay, now ಈ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್? ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 0.1 ohm per centimeter ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, understood? So R is equal to what is the resistance of the wire? So resistance of the wire will be equal to, okay, resistance of the wire will be equal to resistance per unit length, resistance per unit length into total length, into total length, into total length. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಎಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 0.1 ಓಮ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೈರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 100 centimeter. Okay, for a time being I am just removing this one, okay, because the bridge is what? Balance is saying, okay, no current flows. Just you can just remove it for a time being. Okay, now what is the value of this one? Into total length next to 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter. The centimeter hoಯ್ತು. R is equal to 100 into 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. Okay, and now a battery is connected up. How many volts? 5 volts, right? 5 volts. Now how much current this battery? 4 plus 6 and step 10. 10 in parallel with 10 will be how much? You know that is equal to how much? 5 ohm, right? Plus minus 5 volts. Yes, current I will be equal. I is equal to V by R. 5 by 5 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ampere. Okay. See, I told you, no, this is the right answer. 4 ohm, X is 4 ohm, and current, okay, and the current drawn from the battery of negligible resistance, okay, there is no resistance here, okay, is I is equal to V by R, 5 by 5. Okay, for a time being we have removed this one, okay, to avoid confusion because no current flows is flowing here. ಈ voltmeter ನಲ್ಲಿ, okay, ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ? What it may be, whether it is voltmeter or ammeter, okay, no current is flowing here. Understood? Now I is equal to, hope you understood. I will stop it here. Okay, I wish you all the best for your Kcet and NEET exams. E video, if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, subscribe for my channel, and then kindly like it and ask doubts in the comment box. I wish you all the best of luck.